The project shown in this video can be found in the textbook Technical Drawing 101 with AutoCAD, available from SDC Publications. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Fillet command. You can find the Fillet command on the Modify toolbar. It's this icon here. Or you can go up to the Modify panel of the ribbon and you can find it up here. Now sometimes it will be behind the chamfer command if you've recently used the chamfer command, so just select the down arrow and go select on Fillet, and that will put you into the command. I'm going to press escape, and another way to get into the command is just type F and press enter. Now I'm in the command and I'm being prompted next to my cursor. It says select the first object, so I'm going to pick my first object, then it says select the second object. I'm going to pick here, and nothing happens. And what should be happening, I should be getting a rounded corner. But the reason I'm not getting a rounded corner is because AutoCAD does not know the radius yet of my fillet. So what I need to do is come back up here and select Fillet. And instead of going directly to selecting my corners, I need to look at the command line and select down here where it says radius, or I can type R and enter either way. But I'm going to pick on radius. And at that point it says select the fillet radius. I'm going to type 1 and press enter. Now it says select the first object. I'm going to pick this top line. I'm going to pick this vertical line here, and it fillets that corner. Now when I do that, it also takes me out of the command. So I could come back and pick on the Fillet command again, and it says select the first object. I'm going to pick here, and then I'll select this as my second. And you'll notice that it remembers that the radius is 1. Now another way to get back into the command is just to press enter, because AutoCAD always returns to the last command that was used. And so if I pick this line and pick this line, it will fillet that corner. Alright, so I'm going to go pick on the Fillet command again, and I want to change the radius size. And so it says select the first object, so I don't want to choose my lines this time. I want to come down here and select on radius again, and this time I'm going to type 0.5 and press enter, and it says select the first object, so I'm going to pick here and I'm going to pick here, and it fillets that corner 0.5. Now I want to show you a kind of a neat trick about the Fillet command. Let's say that I want to return this corner back to being a square corner. I can use the Fillet command to do that. I'm going to pick on Fillet. I'm going to come down here and pick on radius, and when I'm asked for my fillet radius, I'm going to type 0 and press enter. And this time I'm going to pick this line and I'm going to pick this line, and a fillet of 0 results in a square corner. And this is a good way to repair objects that may have a gap in the corner, or even a small microscopic gap that you can't see. If you just fillet that with a radius of 0, it will connect those two endpoints. And that's the Fillet command.